Hi students, today I want us to focus on your minutes. So it is in Microsoft Word, and then we are going to refer to model 1 of your exercise, which is in page 28 for as far as the one that I have. All right, so according to the model, we have the name of the company. The name of the company, it is always in uppercase. It is always in bold. And then you leave the space. You enter 2 times. How will you know it is 2 times? You activate your show and hide. You enter 1, 2 times. And then you start with your exercise. The word minutes. The word minutes in the paragraph. It is always in uppercase and bold, and then the rest of the paragraph is then in normal case. All right, then we enter 2 times again, and then the word present. It is uppercase and bold, and then you leave 2 spaces in between, and then now you list the names of the people who will be present in the meeting. And now we go. We enter 2 times again. The word apologies. The word apologies, it is in uppercase and bold. For example, if you have typed everything in normal case, you will just have to highlight everything or the whole word there, and then you go to change case, the down arrow, and then you change it to uppercase, and then you go to bold, you bold it. And then remember, it is you leave 2 spaces in between again, and then you list the people who apologize that they will not attend the meeting. 2 spaces again. Two spaces again, and then you have the minutes. If you have the minutes, and then the minutes according to your exercise, they are in, sorry guys, I'm having a flu, they are in the numbers. From the word minutes, the minutes, the shift of work, termination, and everything, it is the part of the numbering. All right, so now that it is the part of the numbering, we just need to do the rules of the numbering. Remember the rules of the numbering? We said, sorry, the rules of the numbering. The first level heading, it is uppercase and bold. Then secondly, for each and every numbers, you leave the space. The second level heading, it is not in uppercase and bold. The first level heading, it has a dot. So now let's just apply the rules of the numbering. We highlight everything that is part of numbering. Right. Oh my God. Okay, sorry guys, I'm having a flu, so I'm sorry to have been sneezing in this record. Okay, I said now that the word minutes, it is part of the whole numbering in your exercise. So let's just do the numbering, and then we will just continue. Okay, the rules of the numbering, I said The first level heading, it is uppercase and bold. Remember, it has a dot. The second level heading, it does not have a dot. It is in normal cases. And then remember to leave the space between the numbers. It is very important. Refer to your model 1 in your exercises. All right. Now remember the numbering. The bullets and numbering. We need to go there, up, bullets and numbering. If you don't have the bullets and numbering, remember I said we use what? The down arrow. Then the down arrow, we go to more command, just if you don't have that bullet and numbering icon. And then from more command, and then you go to all command, and then you search for here on the separator, you then search for what? Bullets and numbering. It is in alphabetical order. Once you find the bullets and numbering, then you left click on it and then you add. For those of you who would already have it, I'm not sure if it is going to work in the laptops that you are using. I'm not sure if you have this or it is installed. I'm not sure, but I'm just reminding you on regarding the computers that we are using in the labs. So this is what we do, and then from there, then you will have this icon, bullet and numbering. You left click on it, and then you go where? You go to outline numbered. Remember, we are doing what? The numbering. And then you select the one that has 3 levels, level 1, 2, 3. Then remember to customize. Now you have level 1 highlighted. According to level 1, we want the dot. We are not going to do anything with the dot. And then here, text indent at, which is always 1 centimeter. Aligned at 0. For as far as this exercise, we have until level 2. Let's just do it until level 2. Level 2, now we go to click on number 2. Remember, level 2, we don't want the dot. We are going to click enter formatting number, and then we just delete a dot, only the dot. And then text indent at 1 centimeter, aligned at 0 centimeter, and then you say okay. All right. Now you check according to your exercise which one is which. This is the paragraph of the minutes, and then you just delete, and then until you have the correct numbers. Because when you highlight everything, remember you need to highlight everything so that even the paragraphs are aligned with the headings. So it is very important that you highlight even the headings. So we said any agreements, it is part of 3 point what. I just need to check because we have second levels and they are in paragraphs. Okay, it's 3. No, this one, it was not supposed to be deleted. Termination of employment. Yeah, we are fine, and then until 3.3. 3.3, it is end. Start with end. We don't do anything with that. And then we have our 4. No employer, this one we delete because it is the part of the paragraph. And then we have certificates, then every employer, and then what. All right, now remember, we are here. We said here we are going to start with the correct numbers. We have 1, 2, 3, and then here we have 3.1. So what do? We increase the indent so that we have 3.1. Then the other one becomes number 4. We increase the indent again because there we have 3.2. There we have it, 3.2. Now let's go. We have 3.3 here. Just increase the indent. We have 3.3. and then we have 4, then we have 5. Now we are not done. We are not done. We need to change the first level. First level, we say it is uppercase, it is bold. Remember, make sure that the number, it is bold as well, and then it has the dot. All right, then we have what? The first level heading, make sure they are all in uppercase, they are all in bold. And then the other thing that you need to remember, make sure when you type the document, it is in a correct font, in a correct line spacing, and in a correct font size. And then number 4 is the first level heading. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload this as an example for you guys so that it is easier. Then make sure you highlight the first level headings, uppercase and bold. All right, the chairperson, referring to the model, the chairperson, okay, after the last one, then you enter, after the last item, you enter the minimum of 4 times to the maximum of 6 times. So you are going to enter 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you have the chairperson, but the chairperson should be in the left. 0, yes. You enter 1, 2, 3, 4 to the maximum of 6 times, and then make sure the word chairperson is uppercase and bold. Chairperson is uppercase and bold, and then after the chairperson, and then you have to enter again the minimum of 4 times to the maximum of 5 times, and then you have a secretary there, bold, uppercase, and then you have, according to your exercise, they've given you the Richards Bay, which is just the Richards Bay and the code. But according to your model, you were then supposed to have, after the secretary, you have the date. Then after the secretary, you have the date. So now you will just write after the secretary, Richards Bay, and then you end with the date. Okay guys, thank you.